It reminds me of my college days.
Right.
So,
And you still look the same.
oh, really? You're being very kind. Thank you. The setting has been in Goa, the weather, beach, holiday resort area where everyone knows. Great for the youth to come here. They are talking about various movies, but not Raz 4 at the moment. You know, you make a movie, you try and you give it your best. And if nothing works out, you go to the next one. Sunny Leone, actress jo hai, she works in a different world altogether in America.
Well, we have with us the dashing Dino Moria here in Goa at the Channel V Nokia Fest. Pleasure having you on Bollywood Hungama, Dino.
Thank you. Thanks so much for it.
All right, and I believe you are judging the campus stud out here.
Yes, I believe so. I've been engaging with Channel V to do this for quite some time. So I'm looking forward to actually see what it feels like to be, or rather what the contestants think it is or takes to be a campus stud. So I'm really looking forward to it actually.
What's exactly the procedure like? How many contestants are going to be there?
Well, I've already shortlisted a couple of them, so I'm going to go and see the shortlisted ones and then choose the campus stud amongst the shortlisted ones. So this is going to be fun actually.
Okay.
It reminds me of my college days.
Right.
So,
and you still look the same.
oh, really? You're being very kind. Thank you.
Apart from that, just getting this entire thing in Goa, I think the weather is excellent. The entire environment is fantastic.
Yeah.
Do you think it's a good opportunity for youngsters to just come forth?
Well, I think firstly the setting for something like this is perfect. The setting has been in Goa, the weather, beach, holiday resort area where everyone knows. Great for the youth to come here and to be part of something like this, because the youth then get to meet people from different colleges, you know, they intermingle and basically get to know more people. And I think this awareness is fantastic. So this whole setting, this whole event is ideal for college students.
You know, there have been talks that you may be part of Raz 4 as an actor. In fact, you started off.
That was speculation. Quite honestly, I've met Mr. Mukesh Bhatt and Mr. Mahesh Bhatt, and as of now, they are talking about various movies, but not Raz 4 at the moment.
Okay, but there are chances of Dino Moria working in a Vishesh Films in the near future.
Well, I'm looking forward to it. Yes.
Maybe producing yourself.
Yes, I mean my second film I am going to produce very soon. We're ideating on 3 scripts right now.
Right.
I've got 3 beautiful scripts actually, so just getting them done, getting the pre-production done, and hopefully we should produce one very soon. But as an actor, I'm reading a lot of scripts. I'm hoping to either work with Vishesh Films with either Mr. Mahesh Bhatt or with a few of my other friends soon.
There is entire speculation is there, not speculation, but conjectures are there that GSM 2 there was a tremendous buzz around the film. There was a huge buzz around the film. Maybe genre of film in that budget basically generally itna hype shayad nahi hota hai. That film had a huge hype maybe generally, but the conjecture is that if maybe the script or something would have been maybe opportune to it, it would have done much bigger business.
Well, it did fairly good business,
right.
I must admit. It did fairly good business. On the creative side, well, there are people, from the feedback I've got, there are people who liked it and there are people who didn't like it. So, yes, the people who liked it, who didn't like it were far more than the people who liked it. So, you know, you make a movie, you try and you give it your best. And if nothing works out, you go to the next one. On the creative side of it, I don't know what we could have added or taken away. I personally liked the film. I enjoyed it. So for the people who didn't enjoy it, I don't know what to give them next.
Speculation is that a lot of scenes were cut by the censors, and maybe if people came for looking for certain element of sensuality in the movie,
yes.
But maybe that was missing. You think some of the censors played a spoiled sport?
The censors have their own parameters to work in, but उन लोगों ने कहा कि यार perception इतना था कि जिस्म 2 आने वाली है और उसमें सनी लियोन एक्ट्रेस जो है, she works in a different world altogether in America. So already the perception of Jism 2 having a porn star as an actress in the film was so high कि ये लोग मेरे ख्याल से डर गए जब उन्होंने पिक्चर देखी. They said this has got so much in it, we have to cut some stuff off because of only perception. But then again, we have to respect their views because they have their parameters to work within.
Great. Now you'll be part of Jism 3 as well?
No, I'm not part of Jism 3.
Okay, and what sort of movies are you planning to produce as well?
Well, I've got 3 really good scripts. One's a dark thriller on a topical subject. One's a romantic comedy, and the third is a horror.
So you've been into restaurant business and you proved yourself to be a decent businessman. Somewhere the entire the business plan that you had for Jism 2 as well worked. Both you and Pooja, the way you had it, in fact.
Yes.
So will you be just keeping that entire budgeting factor into account, because that's very important somewhere?
I think making a film within a budget, making it viable, is the most important thing today. Because a movie will run, you can take a big star in a film, and if the movie is not good, it only runs that many days, you lose money. So whether you take a big star or a newcomer, you need to make it within a really decent budget to cut your risks, basically.
And who are the directors that you're aiming for?
I'm looking at guys right now, actually. We're just looking at, it could be new talent, it could be established directors, but I need someone who has the sensibilities, who shares my sensibilities in the scripts which we're making right now.
Thank you very much for being on board. All the best.
so much.
Thanks.